Your YouTube channel's profile picture is your online identity. It's the small but significant image that viewers see when they come across your content. To make a lasting first impression and build a recognizable brand, it's crucial to design a captivating profile picture. Canva, a popular online design tool, offers an easy and efficient way to craft a professional and eye-catching profile picture for your YouTube channel. So let's get started. In the Canva dashboard, click Create a Design and select Custom Dimensions. For a YouTube profile picture, the recommended size is 800 by 800 pixels. You can also use one of Canva's pre-made templates by searching for YouTube profile picture. Step by step. So let's get started. Select a template, optional. Canva provides various YouTube profile picture templates that you can customize. Choose one that fits your channel's theme and style, or start with a blank canvas if you prefer to design from scratch. Upload or choose an image. If you have a logo or image you want to use, click on the Uploads tab to upload it to Canva. Alternatively, use Canva's extensive library of stock photos and elements to find suitable graphics. Edit and customize. Once you have your base image or template, you can start customizing it. Use Canva's tools to add text, shapes, filters, and other elements to make it unique. Here are some design tips. Make sure the image is centered and visually appealing. Incorporate your brand colors and fonts. Include your channel name or initials if it's not already part of the image. Download your profile picture. When you're satisfied with your design, click the Download button in the top right corner. Canva will prompt you to choose a file format. PNG is recommended for a transparent background, and then download the image to your device. Upload to YouTube. Log into your YouTube channel. Go to your channel's dashboard and click on the Customize Channel button. Here, you can upload your profile picture by clicking on the camera icon next to your existing profile picture. Crop and save. YouTube will allow you to crop and adjust your image as needed. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click Done to save your new channel profile picture. Check the preview. Make sure your profile picture looks good on both desktop and mobile devices, as viewers use a variety of platforms to watch videos. Final review. Before you finalize your new profile picture, double-check that it reflects your brand, is clear, and looks good in various sizes. Thanks for watching. But don't forget to like and subscribe